Alright, welcome back guys. We are once again doing the Python Learn With Me series. We are going over the Python Crash Course book. We are in chapter 5. We are now on example 4. So this one is called Alien Colors 2. So it's going to be building off the last program that we did. So once again, we're going to be making an alien that is equal to either red, green, or yellow. So we're just gonna come down. I already made the new file. Check out that. Comment out our name and the date. So we're gonna call this if else test. So it once again wants us to write one that passes the if statement, one that fails, and then we have to make one that passes the if, and then one that passes the else. So that's just gonna be kind of straightforward. So we're gonna go alien color is equal to green, just like we did in the last one. And then we're gonna write our if statement where it says if alien color is equal to green, print you have earned 5 points. And now we're gonna do our else statement. Else print you have earned 10 points. So we're gonna copy this again, and then we're gonna come down, we're gonna paste it. That's not what I just copied. I think I might have clicked a different letter other than Control C. So now when we come down and print, it should give us this, except we're gonna change this to red. So if we come over here and run this file, it should give us two different outputs. One that gives us our if statement, one that gives us our else. So once again, our if statement is going to tell us we earned 5, and our else statement will tell us that we earned 10. So let's run this code. So you can see that we have both lines of output. So that was example 4. Really similar to example 3, except this time we have introduced the else statements, how we did in example 2. So this one gives you a little bit more clear cut of what an if else statement looks like. So once again, if statements are only testing for this, and once it sees that it is true, it'll print out that output. If not, you can use an else statement to test for falsities, and then it'll print out a specific output that you tell it in case it runs into that falsehood. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like, share it, subscribe if you really want, and I'll see you guys in the next one where we'll be going over example 5.